Hey, Maddie here. This video session is mainly for you if you are an hardworking person or an hardworking parent who is overwhelmed by many number of long hours of working in many different sectors to make more money in order to keep up with their life towards inflation, increased cost of living, and also the interest rates. And you're so much frustrated, tired, and burnt out, and looking for a non-conventional method at the same time legitimate way. And also, you're getting overwhelmed with so much of information around online business. Is it legitimate? Is it really valuable? Is it really worth for? And you are just confused with the amount of information with regards to online business. This is the session for you, where I'm going to unpack the three basic strategy, at the same time important strategy that you must look for when you are learning about any online business. So, and these three is not in any order. All these three are important. At the same time, all these three are interdependent and interrelated to each other. It's not one is better than the other. Everything, all these three are the must you must look for in online business. At the same time, you must look for an online business. If you are looking for an online business in order to make an extra $1,000 or in order to make an extra $1,000 or $2,000, this is not for you. Whereas if you're looking for an online business that you want to gradually reduce your number of hours of work that you are putting in, and you want to gradually increase your personal time, your family time in order to own your life, this could be the business for you. But I'm not saying that you must quit doing what you're doing. You must stop doing what you're doing. No. If you're looking for a online business that you want to gradually reduce the workload in what you're doing, whereas you want to have that freedom, the time freedom to have your time for yourself and for your time for your family, this could be the business. Important strategy for you. So let's dive in straight away. What are the three strategies that you must look for? So number one, so let's divide into three. Number one is the value. So when you're looking for any sort of online business, you must look for value. What I mean value is value in terms of number one and number two. Value in terms of, is it solving your problem? Is it problem solving? It means, is it solving your problem? Whatever the problem, either financially, mentally, physically, emotionally, relationship wise as well, is it solving your current problem? And also, it's not only for you, but also by packaging that business, can you able to solve the problem of others? That's what you must look for. So value in terms of, is it really really solving the problem either for you, or you can package the business to solve the problem for others. That's a very important thing that you must look for. And also what you must look for in value is it having a premium product or service? You must look for whether through this online business, whether you're going to promote or sell a premium product or service. Because the reason why I'm saying specifically premium product or service, because there are so many online business which are promoting or selling a low ticket or mid ticket. I'm no way disrespecting, but what happens is, if your aim is to just make only another $1,000 or $2,000 by hustling and grinding, you can fall into those. That's not a problem at all. Whereas if your aim is to have that kind of freedom to own a life beyond making money, beyond living the weekend only life, then you must look for premium product or service. Why? The reason because then it falls into the high ticket category. When it falls into the high ticket category, what happens is this ends up in having a high commission use. The value in terms of, is it problem solving? Is it involves a premium product or service, rather than you keep hustling and grinding by keep selling your time? When I say selling your time, the second most important strategy what you must look for, does it have the opportunity to leverage? Very important. This is so important, because so many online business doesn't have the opportunity to leverage. Leverage, I mean to say leveraging the system. Leveraging the system. Is there already a current proven system which is successfully running around the globe? Leveraging a proven system. And can you able to leverage the automation? There are few online business where you can leverage the automation. When you are leveraging automation, does it also can able to leverage the OPM and OPT strategy? Can you able to leverage the system automation in terms of marketing, automation in terms of sales, and also leverage the OPM, other people's money and other people's time. By means of leveraging all these four, you will be in a better position to not to sell your time. You'll be in a better position to run the business 24/7, irrespective of your presence, irrespective of your time, without the business demanding you to keep selling your time. Because there are so many online business in the modern world here, where the person jump into the business, and then afterwards they end up in working inside the business by owning a job, not owning a business. Rather, the business owns them. That's why they get frustrated by looking at an online business. Oh my God, this is not for me. It is again another hustle. This is again another grind. It should not be like that. The third is the one important thing which really stands out: alignment. There are so many people looking for online business which suits them. Why I'm so much highlighting this? Because if you are looking for any sort of growth in terms of finance, in terms of personally, financially, mentally, emotionally, or even physically, if you're looking for any kind of opportunity to suit your current identity, there's no growth. Because your current identity is already outgrown. Any business opportunity must challenge your current identity in order to elevate it to a new identity for further growth. Must challenge your comfort zone, must challenge your current you. That is what is alignment. Because money, if you're looking for financial growth, money is a byproduct of not who you are. Who you are is already making that amount of money. So if you want to have a more money in your life, in order to have the freedom as well alongside with the money, then you must become that person. Then that same business opportunity must also give you an opportunity to make yourself resourceful in terms of you developing your identity, in terms of you developing your personal growth, in order to come out of the comfort zone, and also financially as well. That's it. So you must look for an opportunity, business opportunity, in order to get that freedom, in order to make more money, in order to have that kind of owning the life, instead of keep selling the time, instead of keep selling the life. You must look for value, leveraging the system, automation, OPM, OPT strategy. So third one is alignment towards growth. If you get an answer for all these three, just don't see the label of whatever the kind of business it is. Just jump onto the business and take that opportunity. Because if you're aware of the opportunity cost, if you're aware and get clear of the lifetime cost, then you will be able to optimize, maximize, condense, collapse, and use the time. Because time is not money. Time is life. You are here to live your life to the fullest. You are here to create the life beyond the weekends. We succeed together. Peace.